Traveling with Nika peeps. It is a new video on y'all screen today, and we are preparing for my first ever brand trip. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me for my preparation. First things first is I literally got home last night from a trip, and I had to wash my hair this morning, wake up, wash my hair, blow dry it, and get ready for my hair appointment, which is at 8:30. So I'm literally about to leave now to head there and get the brand trip prep started. This song that made me laugh, just by the way. Hey y'all, I literally just made it to Wawa because I had to get my breakfast. I ordered literally my favorite, a Western bagel, and then I also got a strawberry banana smoothie. And I am literally just a few minutes away from my stylist spot. Breakfast secured, and this is my smoothie. I'm telling y'all, this to be so good from Wawa. I don't know if y'all know about Wawa, but Wawa just hit every time. Okay, this probably looks kind of crazy, but I'm telling y'all, this bagel sandwich to be bussin'. All right, y'all, I'm in the chair. I haven't even started my smoothie yet, but I did eat like half of my bagel in the car. My girl D.
Hello, hello.
On the hair as always. Okay, literally, y'all, why did I book this like... Now I don't even think it was 5 days ago. That was too funny because I literally was like, oh, I don't know why I'm doing my hair for this trip. Y'all, this is literally hilarious because I was like, oh my gosh, I forget I didn't put in the right earrings. And then my stylist was like, she was like, just go to the beauty supply store, like they ain't got hoops. And I was like, you know what, you're right, like. So I'm literally here taking out my earrings that I had in to put in these hoops that I just buy. And listen, she got them thing literally like so in. All right, y'all, we are ready. It's time to head to the next appointment, which is actually getting my eyebrows threaded. So yeah, let's go. Trying to get my eyebrows done. All right, eyebrows done. Now I'm gonna start my pedicure in a few minutes. Do y'all like these massage chairs at the nail salons? I always wanted to ask other people that. Some people definitely don't like it. Like people who I have asked, they like, no, they hate it. I don't mind it, you know, a little something. Alright, so I'm sticking to white toes. I actually had on like, I think it was red. It was either a red or like a really bright pink. That's what I had on before. No, I think it was red. It was red. But I'm going back to my white roots, okay? So that's the color I'm choosing. And I just do regular like polish. I don't be bothering with like gel and all that stuff. I actually need to run to Walmart. I think I need to get like 2 travel size items. I know y'all, I might just order that from Amazon. I think I just tired of driving, and it's hot today. Like I'm like, geez, it is hot. So yeah, I might end up just ordering any remaining things that I need from Amazon. More than likely they will get here in time because I do need to pack as well. Yeah, I think for the most part for appointments and things, that's gonna be a wrap. I am gonna go grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna head home. So I made it back home. I did stop quickly at a store to get some items that I needed, like deodorant, sunscreen, things like that. My masks are here as well because I realized when I was prepping for the trip that I just came off from last night, I was out of masks, like my entire stash, which is crazy. So I did order some from Amazon. So that was literally at the door as well. And I just got some food delivered because I ordered it while I was on my way coming home. perfect timing. It just got delayed, but I'm literally about to eat. And then I'm not gonna pack today because I still need to do laundry from just the clothes that I wore on the trip, because I did laundry before the trip. So I'm just gonna wash those clothes. I've obviously been up super early, so I'm gonna take a little break and get some other things that I need to get done that's not related to the trip. So yeah, I'll probably check in with you guys tomorrow once I start packing. So this is lunch today. I got me some rice and peas, curry chicken, and looks like a boatload of plantain. Hey y'all, back on y'all screen, which as you can see, I'm literally about to get super busy with packing. I had so much things to do today. I am definitely packing later than expected, but it is what it is at this point. I haven't even done my nails either, which I do press on, so I'm probably gonna just show you guys once they are done. I have majority of the things that I need to pack right here with me. I did already start putting some of like my what is this thing called again? I did already start trying to put some things in packing cubes. I'm not gonna use packing cubes for the whole thing because honestly I don't really got time for that right now. These are all of my like nightgowns and robes and things like that. I am packing for 2 sets of trips, so I have to pack for the brand trip and another trip which is going to be immediately after the brand trip. So yeah, and that's that. And put that right there. Now I'm basically packing per day because that's the best way I could pack. I'm really trying to not overpack, but I'm also trying to have some options as well, like extras, because you just never know, y'all. So that's kind of like my thought process for how I'm packing. So I kind of organize the things by day. So I do need to pack something as an extra for the first day because I am getting in like way before like dinner time, so I need to just probably pack like an additional top, which this is fine, something like this, because I do have a jeans that I'm going to pack and that can work for this. So this is essentially possible change of a top. This is gonna be like the yellow thing that you see here. That's a top and a skirt. That's gonna be for my first night dinner if I basically stick to the schedule. But as I said, I'm packing by the day. This is going to be the outfit for the daytime the following day. And then I do need something for dinner. I forgot which thing that I packed, that I pulled out for that dinner. Oh no, it's right here. It's this orange dress. So then this orange dress will be for dinner for the second night. I do already have all of my shoes packed up here, so that's just gonna go on this side. So I have like 2 pairs of heels, I think like maybe 1 sandals. I will be wearing my sneakers to the airport because I'm going to need to be going to the gym and stuff like that, so I definitely will need my sneakers. I'm literally just continuing to pack here. I am trying to like pair things together and things that I know that I could have backups for example. Now I just need to pack my bags in my suitcase and then also like my toiletries. So this is my main makeup bag. This has pretty much everything you could think of in here. And then this is my main toiletry bag. This has all of my little carry-on size things as well. I do have like my little mini perfume bottles in here. I think I did 2. I have like my oils, I have deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, edge control, moisturizer, serums, face wash, like mouthwash. All of these things are in here. I also have my jewelry box, and I will link these items below as well because I've had them for quite some time and they are in my Amazon storefront. I am going to definitely upgrade this by my next trip though, because I have definitely grown out of this mini jewelry box. I'm packing these bags with me. I have my Coach crossbody, which is a black bag, and that can pretty much go with a lot of the stuff that I packed. I also have my YSL bag. It's just in the dust bag right now. And then I will just bring this clear bag, and then I also have my laundry bag, and I'm just going to put that on the other side here as well. So I'm literally about to go pack these items in, my toiletries, the bags, and then I'll get back to you guys. All my clothes are basically in the bag, and I will be packing some other things in my Cotopaxi backpack, which I actually got as a gift, and it is a real amazing travel bag. This is where I'm going to put like my vlog camera, my small tripod. I also will be bringing like gadgets like these to just film content. Right now my camera is on this tripod that I'm going to be bringing. I have my ring light on, which I'm not going to be bringing that, but my phone is on that tripod. I have to bring at least about 2 tripods and then plus this for filming content, but all of those things will go in my backpack. I'm also going to bring, in my backpack is going to be where I'm going to have my electronics and things like that. All right, y'all, pretty much done. I'm going to zip this up, and then I'm also working on packing my backpack as well. Let me show you guys that. So this is my Cotopaxi backpack, and y'all, it fits a lot of stuff. Like even over here is where I have one of my laptops and my bag, and then there is also this compartment where my MacBook is actually going to go on the side here. My iPad is already in here, so my MacBook will literally just fall in here. And that's pretty much a wrap, y'all. I am so excited for this opportunity, and you gotta stay tuned to see where I'm going. It is a domestic trip, and it is with a tourism board. And hint, hint, the place is known for barbecue and good music. So hopefully you guys can guess below where I'm going to be going for my first ever brand trip. I wanted to do a video just prepping for the trip so you guys can see some of the things that are going on behind the scenes. One of the things that I also was working on earlier is going through the itinerary, planning out some of my shots that I want to take, for example, like at the hotel, just kind of planning the behind the scenes of the content that I'm going to create. And yeah, that's just some of the things that I was doing earlier off camera. I will show you guys what I do with my nails, because I'm not going to film that process because I can't do them right this minute while I'm filming the packing portion of this video. So I will just show you guys what my nails look like when they are all done. But yeah, that's about it.